Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. In this section, we are going to solve the previous year board exam questions related to quadratic equation. First question. From the given equation, which one is the quadratic equation? If we go through the given options, option C, n minus 1 is equal to 2n. Here the variable is n, but its power is 1. n minus 1 is equal to 2n. So, this is not a quadratic equation. First step, we can eliminate this option C. Now take first option, option A, 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to x square. To determine it's a quadratic or not, first we have to simplify it. 5 upon x minus 3 equal to x square. On the denominator x, you have to cross multiply it. So, the left hand side become 5 minus 3x is equal to x square into x. Therefore, 5 minus 3x is equal to x square into x is x cube. That means here the power of the variable x is 3, not 2. That means the option A is not a quadratic equation. Consider the next option. X into x plus 5 is equal to 4. Multiply these two times, x into x plus 5 become x square plus 5x is equal to 4, or we can write it as x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the variable is x and its highest power is 2. And this equation is in the form, standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means option B is a quadratic equation. X into x plus 5 is equal to 4 is a quadratic equation. We can just check the option D also. 1 upon x square into x plus 2 is equal to x. On the denominator x square, so to cross multiply it's become x plus 2 is equal to x into x square. Therefore, this become x plus 2 is equal to x into x square is x cube. Here the highest power of the variable x is 3. That means the equation 1 upon x square into x plus 2 is equal to x is also not a quadratic equation. So, from the given 4 options, option B. Option B is a quadratic equation. The next question. Find the values of A and B from the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. We know the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So, compare these two, the general form of quadratic equation and given quadratic equation. Ax square, that is 2x square. So, the value of a equal to 2 and plus bx. Here plus bx is plus minus 5x. So, the value of b is equal to minus 5. The value of a and b for the given quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 are A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 5. The next question. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. The given quadratic equation is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. How we can apply the factorization method in the given quadratic equation? First, we have to rewrite the term minus 15x as x square minus 9x minus 6x. 9x minus 6x is minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Here we have to find out two numbers whose sum is minus 15 and its product is 54. So the numbers are minus 9 and minus 6. So we rewrite that term minus 15x as minus 9x minus 6x. Now take the first two terms of this equation, x square minus 9x. Here x is common. So we can write it as x into x minus 9 from the next two terms minus 6x plus 54. Here minus x we can take as common. So it's become minus 6 into x minus 9. Minus 6 into minus 9 is plus 54 is equal to 0. Now we get two terms, x into x minus 9 minus 6 into x minus 9. From the two terms, it is clear that x minus 9 is common. So we can write it as x minus 9 we taken as common, then x minus 9 into the remaining term is x, and from the second term x minus 9 we taken as common, so the remaining term is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we get the product of two terms, x minus 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. The product of two terms equal to 0 means at least one of the term is 0 or both the term can be 0. So what is the next step? Take each term and equate to 0. That is x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 9 is equal to 0 implies the value of x is equal to 9, or x minus 6 equal to 0 implies the value of x is equal to 6. So for the given quadratic equation x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. So the value of x are x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. The next question. The sum of the areas of two squares is 400 square meter. If the difference between their perimeters is 16 meter, find the sides of two squares. How we can solve this problem? So let x be the side of first square and y be the side of second square. Now what is the first condition? The sum of the areas of two squares is 400 square meter. What is the area of square? If x be the side of first square, then area of first square area of first square equal to area if x is the side of square, then its area is x square. Similarly, area of second square equal to y square. Sum of the areas of two squares, that is x square plus y square. Sum of the areas of the squares is equal to 400 square meter or 400 meters square. The first given condition. And if the difference between their perimeters, if x be the side, so the perimeter of first square first square equal to x is side, then perimeter is 4x, and perimeter of second square, y is the side, so its perimeter is 4y. And according to the second condition, the difference between their perimeters, that is 4x minus 4y, difference between their perimeters is 16 meter. We can simplify this equation. If we divide this equation throughout by 4, it's become x minus y is equal to 4. Now we get two equations, x square plus y square is equal to 400 meters square and x minus y is equal to 4. The two equations according to the given conditions are x square plus y square is equal to 400, equation number 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 2. From the given equation, equation number 2, x minus y is equal to 4, we can write x is equal to 4 plus y, or y plus, that is equal to y plus 4. Equation number 3, x is equal to y plus 4. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 1, then equation number 1 becomes x square. The value of x square is y plus 4. So it's become y plus 4 square plus y square equal to 400. Y plus 4 square plus y square is equal to 400. First expand the term y plus 4 square. It's become y square plus 8y plus 16. A plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus y square equal to 400, or we can write it as y square plus 8y plus 6y plus y square plus y square. 2y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 400, or we can write it as 2y square plus 8y plus 16 minus 400 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write 2y square plus 8y minus 2y square plus 8y minus 384 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 8y minus 384 is equal to 0. If we divide this equation throughout by 2, it's become y square plus 4y minus y square plus 4y minus 192 is equal to 0. Now we get a quadratic equation with variable y. Y square plus 4y minus 192 is equal to 0. If we solve this quadratic equation, we get the value of y. How we can solve this quadratic equation? We can apply factorization method or formula method. If we apply factorization method, we have to find two numbers whose sum is plus 4 and product is minus 192. 16 and 12 plus 16 and 12. So we can write that term plus 4y as y square plus 16y minus 12y. Plus 16y minus 12y is plus 4y minus 192 is equal to 0. From the first two terms, if we take y as common, it's become y into y plus 16 minus, from the next two terms, minus 12y minus 192. If you take minus 12 as common, then it's become minus 12y plus 16 is equal to 0. From the two terms, y plus 16 is common. So we can write it as y plus 16 into y minus 12 equal to 0. Product of two terms is equal to 0. So what is the next step? Equate each term to 0. So we can write it as y plus 16 is equal to 0 or y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y plus 16 is equal to 0. That implies the value of y is equal to minus 16 or y minus 12 is equal to 0. So the value of y is equal to 12. We get two values for y. Y is equal to minus 16 or y is equal to 12. Here we take y as the side of second square. So y not equal to minus 16. That means the value of y is equal to 12. Value of y is equal to 12. If we substitute the value of y in equation number 3, equation number 3 is x is equal to y plus 4. So the value of x is equal to y plus 4, and if y is equal to 12, it's become plus 4 is equal to 16. The value of x is equal to 16. X be the side of first square. Side of first square be x. The value of x is equal to 16 meter, and the side of second square is y. So the value of y is equal to 12 meter. These are the sides of two squares whose sum of areas is 400 and difference between perimeter is 16, and the sides of that two squares are 16 meter and 12 meter respectively. Thank you.